To change the date on the keypad's display on a Texecom Premier system, firstly, enter your master code on the keypad. Next, press the menu button. The display will then show, "Do you want user menu?" Press the yes or tick button on the keypad. The display will then say, "Do you want to view event log?" Scroll down the menu using the down arrow on the keypad until you get to Set System Date. Press the yes or tick button. The display will then show you the date the keypad is currently using. Use the keypad to enter the new date. Remember, the keypad uses a day, month, year format. Press the yes or tick button to confirm. To exit this mode, press the menu button again followed by Reset on the keypad and then yes or tick.